Hi everyone, I'm Meenu Mangal. I'm a live caster doing 2D, 3D, hand and feet impressions and belly cast as well. We preserve your memories. We do a replica of your hands and feet, then belly cast, pregnant belly cast also we do. I do memorial cast. It's a very emotional subject in if we talk about Indian society. It's like कि जब कोई किसी की death हो जाती है, in the 2 or 3 hours we take the impressions and we preserve with beautifully with their pictures and we preserve them beautifully. A target age group starts from one day when the parents are blessed with a child. They really want to preserve those precious moments which are not going to come back. Most of the parents, I should say 90% of them, just get it on their first birthday so that that special moment is preserved. And then we come to those couples who the moment they get fixed, they really want to get it done and to preserve their love moment. 25 years silver jubilee celebrations. Sometimes their daughter-in-laws, sometimes their children gift their parents. Then it comes to 50 years, glorious years. Likewise, elders also support us and they give their impressions so beautifully. My motive is first of all to give the experience to my clients, the beautiful time, the moment they're getting their impressions preserved. Then a satisfied client. I'm very particular for the quality product what I'm giving, because the smile when I give when the people come to collect their frame from me, the smile, their happiness, when I see, then my day is sorted out. So जब I see the happiness, their acceptance. You've done a wonderful job, Meenu. We are so glad we get it done from you. The neatness of my work when they see, then our day is sorted. This is the main motive. I think every individual should look forward to it, that they should satisfy their clients. तो एक बार मैंने बिल्कुल फिनिश कर दिया था एक का हैंड एंड हर मदर वाज नॉट सैटिस्फाइड. मैंने कहा इट्स ओके, लेट्स डू इट अगेन. So she was a very elder child, but her mother was not satisfied with the impression position. She wanted a very particular position, you know. तो मैंने कहा कि ऐसे तो नहीं होता. This is a natural position. But when she was, I just look at her face now that she is not satisfied. मैंने कहा then let's do it again. And then when the final product went to her house, she was like, wow. I can't take off my eyes from this beautiful frame you have made up. I can, what I expected, you did more of that. तो इट्स लाइक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मतलब मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैं चाहे इतनी 200% अपनी एफर्ट देती हूँ इसमें, तो मतलब इन रिटर्न व्हेन दीज काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक्स कम, आई एम रियली हैप्पी. My day is sorted and it gives me more motivation to work more hard. I involve my clients to show each and everything, from the raw impressions to the fonts we are using. We are using the placement of impression, every detail. I just involve them so that after framing, I don't want कि कुछ problem हो. So we just change. If anybody, any of my client doesn't like anything, though we have asked them from step to step. So उसके बाद भी if they don't like anything, we just change the whole format. Everything is changed. So there was one time I had an experience. I did all the setup after asking them on step wise. The whole thing was setted out. So they said we didn't like that much. Can we do better than this? So मैंने कहा yes, why not? तो फिर once they also said to me that let us change the frame. Then I said नहीं, मैं इसी को ही और better कर दूंगी. And I really want to work on this idea. The kind of framing we want to do, the placements of these their milestones and everything. They were, nahi Meenu, you are working already so hard, you have done so like itna aapne kara hai. If it's not happening, let's change it, let's do something else. तो मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, हम इसी को ही करेंगे. आई डिड इट एंड आई प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ कि नहीं, वी कैन डू इट. First of all, there should be at least little formal qualification for it. YouTube से देखा और कर लिया. You can never be a doctor. You can never be a surgeon after seeing it on YouTube. So little bit of formal education one should have. Patience, lot of patience. Once at the first meeting, they will not get the desired result. Children's, we have to work with such a little babies. So we have to be lot of patience so that we get the desired result. And thirdly, we can say our creativity in terms of the framing ideas we produce. It should be different. It should be unique. Something a beautiful masterpiece. It has to be. So it has to be something exclusive. Good raw material. First of all, raw material has to be the best. I am sourcing most of my things from UK. My color finishes, my raw material, the smoothness those acrylic paints have, which we are getting it from UK. It's very beautiful. I have created lot of different color finishes myself. Just mix and match some colors. Being a painter, these things are happening with me. कि कुछ ना कुछ creative करना. Any kind of business, I think a satisfied client is the main should be the main motive of any of the person, because when they are satisfied, we are also happy. The money should not be the sole motive, I should say. The satisfaction should be important. It will be from their side also and my side also. I will be also happy that chalo, if the thing is done good.